What if a disease could silently damage one of the most important organs in your body without obvious symptoms at first? That disease is called hepatitis. Millions of people around the world are affected by it, and many don't even know they have it until serious complications develop. Hi legends, stay with me as we grow and improve together. In today's video, I will explain what hepatitis really is, the major causes, the warning signs you should never ignore, and the best way to prevent and control it. So legend, watch until the end because one simple habit could help protect your liver and your life. Hepatitis simply means inflammation of the liver. The liver is one of the hardest working organs in the body. It helps remove toxins, store nutrients, supports digestion, fights infections, and processes many substances that keep us healthy. When the liver becomes inflamed, it cannot perform these functions properly. Over time, untreated hepatitis can lead to serious complications such as liver scarring, liver failure, or even liver cancer. Now let's move to the different types of hepatitis. There are 5 main types of hepatitis. The first is hepatitis A. This usually spread through contaminated food or water. It can cause a short-term illness and most people even recover completely. The second one is hepatitis B. This hepatitis B spread through infected blood and body fluids, and this can happen through unprotected sex, sharing needles, or from mother to child during birth. During this process, some people recover completely while others develop long-term infection. The third one is hepatitis C. This particular one spread mainly through contact with infected blood. Dear legend, many people do not even know they have it because symptoms may not appear for years. The fourth one is hepatitis D. This occurs only in people who already have hepatitis B. And lastly is hepatitis E. This usually spread through contaminated water and is more common in areas with poor sanitation. So now let's talk about the causes of hepatitis. Hepatitis can be caused by viral infections, excessive alcohol consumption, certain medications taken incorrectly or in high amounts, exposure to harmful chemicals or toxins, and autoimmune diseases, that is where the body's immune system attacks the liver. Not all hepatitis cases are caused by viruses, but viral hepatitis remains one of the most common causes worldwide. Now let's talk about the warning signs and symptoms of hepatitis. One of the most dangerous things about hepatitis is that some people have no symptoms at all. However, common signs include extremely tiredness, loss of appetite, fever, nausea and vomiting, abdominal pain, especially on the right side, dark urine, pale color stool, joint pain, yellowing of the skin and eyes, known as jaundice. Dear legend, if you notice these symptoms, especially jaundice, it is important to seek medical attention. So, who is mostly at risk when it comes to hepatitis? You may have a higher risk if you share needles or sharp objects, if you have unprotected sex with an infected person, if you receive unsafe blood transfusion, you live in areas with poor sanitation and contaminated water, if you drink excessive amounts of alcohol, if you have close contact with someone infected. Dear legend, understanding these risk factors can help you take steps to protect yourself. Hepatitis can actually be prevented, and these are the things you do in most cases to prevent hepatitis. Get vaccinated against hepatitis A and B if available and recommended. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water. Drink safe and clean water. Eat properly cooked food. Avoid sharing razors, toothbrush, needles or other sharp objects. Practice safe sex, limit alcohol consumption, be careful when using medications and always follow medical advice. Go for regular health checkups, especially if you are at risk, because small habits can make a big difference in protecting your liver. Dear Legend, in conclusion, hepatitis is often called a silent disease because it can damage the liver without obvious symptoms, but knowledge, they say, is power. By understanding the causes, recognizing the warning signs, and taking preventive measures, you can greatly reduce your risk and help protect those around you. Quick one legend, if you've been looking for a way to make extra money online, search no more. A friend of mine is hosting a class where she will teach you how to make calls with foreigners and get paid for it. Click the link on my bio to join her mentorship class. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health tips and educational content. And remember, a healthy liver means a healthier life. Take care of it today so it can